The world around us is constantly evolving, and our cities are the epicenters of this transformation. From the bustling streets to the towering skyscrapers, every element of our urban landscape is a testament to human ingenuity and progress. Our buildings are no exception. They are the physical manifestations of our dreams and aspirations, reflecting our desire to reach new heights and create spaces that inspire and nurture. As we face new challenges and strive for a better future, innovation in construction becomes not just an option, but a necessity. The integration of advanced tools and technologies is transforming the way we approach building design and construction. This essay will explore the fascinating world of construction technology, focusing on the innovations shaping the future of our built environment. From 3D printing to modular construction, these advancements are paving the way for more efficient, sustainable, and resilient structures. From towering skyscrapers to sustainable homes, the construction industry plays a vital role in shaping our lives. The buildings we create are not just structures, they are the environments where we live, work, and play. However, traditional construction methods often struggle to keep pace with the growing demands for efficiency, sustainability, and affordability. The need for faster, greener, and more cost-effective solutions is driving a wave of innovation across the industry. This is where innovation comes in, offering solutions that can revolutionize the way we design, build, and experience buildings. By embracing new technologies and methodologies, we can create a built environment that not only meets our current needs, but also anticipates and adapts to future challenges. The construction industry faces a number of challenges that innovation can address. Traditional methods are often time-consuming, labor-intensive, and prone to errors. This can lead to project delays, cost overruns, and safety concerns. Furthermore, the construction industry has a significant environmental impact, consuming large amounts of energy and resources. To create a more sustainable future, we need to find innovative ways to reduce waste, minimize pollution, and conserve energy in construction. Imagine being able to walk through a building before a single brick is laid. Building Information Modeling, or BIM, makes this possible. BIM is a digital representation of a building's physical and functional characteristics, creating a virtual model that encompasses every detail of the structure. This technology allows architects, engineers, and contractors to collaborate seamlessly, identifying and resolving potential issues before construction even begins. This not only saves time and money, but also reduces the likelihood of costly errors and rework down the line. Section 4: 3D Printing, laying the foundations of the future. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is transforming the construction industry by allowing us to print building components and even entire structures. This groundbreaking technology is not just a futuristic concept, it is already being implemented in various projects around the world. From residential homes to commercial buildings, 3D printing is paving the way for a new era in construction. This technology involves layering materials such as concrete, plastic, or metal based on a digital design, creating complex shapes and structures with incredible precision. The process starts with a digital model, which is then sliced into thin layers. Each layer is printed one at a time, gradually building up the final structure. This method allows for intricate designs that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional construction techniques. 3D printing offers several advantages over traditional construction methods, including reduced waste, faster construction times, and the ability to create highly customized designs. Traditional construction often involves cutting materials to size, which generates a significant amount of waste. In contrast, 3D printing uses only the material needed for the design, making it a more sustainable option. Additionally, the speed of 3D printing can drastically reduce the time required to complete a project, which is particularly beneficial in emergency situations where quick housing solutions are needed. It also has the potential to revolutionize affordable housing by providing a quick and cost-effective way to build homes. In many parts of the world, there is a pressing need for affordable housing, and 3D printing could be the key to meeting this demand. By reducing construction costs and time, this technology can make it possible to build more homes for those in need, helping to address the global housing crisis. The future of construction is here, and it is being built layer by layer. Section 5: Sustainable Materials, Building a Greener Future. The construction industry is a major consumer of resources. but innovative materials are emerging that offer a more sustainable approach to building. From self-healing concrete that extends the lifespan of structures to bio-based materials that sequester carbon, these innovations are reducing the environmental impact of construction. These materials not only minimize waste and reduce reliance on traditional, resource-intensive materials, but also offer enhanced performance and durability, contributing to a more sustainable and resilient built environment. Section 6. Challenges and opportunities in construction innovation. While the future of construction is ripe with opportunity, there are also challenges to overcome. The adoption of new technologies can be slow in a traditionally risk-averse industry, and the need for skilled labor to operate and maintain these technologies is crucial. However, the potential benefits of embracing innovation are too great to ignore. By investing in research and development, fostering collaboration between industry stakeholders, and supporting workforce training, we can unlock the full potential of these innovations and pave the way for a more efficient, sustainable, and resilient built environment. Section 7. Conclusion: Building the Future. Brick by Innovative Brick. The future of construction is being shaped by remarkable innovations that are changing the way we design, build, and interact with our built environment. From BIM's virtual blueprints, which allow architects and engineers to visualize and plan every detail of a building before a single brick is laid, to 3D printing's layer-by-layer construction, which enables the creation of complex structures with unprecedented precision and speed, and the rise of sustainable materials, which are reducing the environmental impact of construction and promoting a more eco-friendly approach to building. These advancements offer a glimpse into a future where buildings are more efficient, durable, and environmentally friendly. Imagine a world where our homes and offices generate their own energy, where the materials used in construction are sourced responsibly and can be recycled or repurposed at the end of their life cycle. As we continue to push the boundaries of construction technology, we are not just building structures. We are creating solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as climate change, urbanization, and resource scarcity. We can look forward to a future where our buildings are not only functional and aesthetically pleasing, but also contribute to the well-being of our planet and its inhabitants. The journey of building the future, brick by Innovative Brick, is an exciting one, filled with endless possibilities and opportunities for growth and improvement.